Welcome back to Luxury Wheels Review, and today we are stepping into something extraordinary. The Bugatti Motorhome, a vision of futuristic travel where hypercar performance meets compact luxury living. If you've ever dreamed of taking the prestige of a Bugatti and blending it with the practicality of a motorhome, this masterpiece is the closest thing to a rolling five-star suite on wheels. From the very first glance at the exterior, the Bugatti Motorhome is a statement of aerodynamic design and elegance. The body carries the same flowing curves and sculpted lines that define Bugatti's supercars, yet it scales them up into an enormous double-decker frame that demands attention on any road. Its silver and black color theme with chrome accents reflects light in a way that makes it appear almost alive, while its tinted panoramic windows add a futuristic presence. The multi-wheel layout isn't just about size, it's about stability. Step inside the lounge, and you are greeted with a design that redefines compact living. The seating is upholstered in premium black leather with Bugatti's signature diamond stitching, combining the comfort of high-end automotive seats with the spaciousness of a lounge area. Technology flows seamlessly into the space. The coffee table doubles as a wireless charging hub for multiple devices, and side panels feature hidden compartments that open with a soft-touch mechanism to store gadgets and essentials. Ambient LED lighting is fully customizable, allowing you to switch from cool white to warm tones with just a fingertip control panel embedded in the wall. Moving into the bedroom, the design continues with the same sleek silver and black theme. The low-profile leather bed is not only comfortable, but also fitted with advanced technology. Adjustable smart controls let you raise or recline the bed into multiple positions, perfect for sleeping, reading, or watching content on a retractable ceiling-mounted display. Climate control zones allow you to set the exact temperature for the bedroom, separate from the rest of the motorhome. Built-in ambient LED panels adjust automatically to the time of day, simulating natural light patterns to improve sleep quality. Hidden within the side panels are compact storage drawers with soft close functionality, and the headboard carries the embossed Bugatti logo, a subtle reminder of the brand's luxury DNA. The kitchen is where compact engineering truly shines. Bugatti has managed to blend sleek design with cutting-edge features, turning a small space into a fully functional culinary station. Glossy silver cabinets open with touch-sensitive panels, and every appliance is integrated seamlessly. The induction cooktop includes smart sensors that automatically adjust power to the size of your cookware, optimizing energy use. The compact oven doubles as a microwave and convection system, while the refrigerator is built flush into the cabinetry and uses advanced cooling technology to preserve food longer on long journeys. The sink features a sensor-activated faucet with multiple spray settings, and a water purification system ensures clean drinking water at all times. Ambient LED strips under the cabinets illuminate the black stone countertops, giving the kitchen a futuristic glow while maintaining a practical workspace. Compact, efficient, and undeniably premium, this kitchen ensures that even in motion, luxury dining is never compromised. The bathroom continues the theme of futuristic elegance while focusing on practicality. Metallic silver walls house a floating vanity with a sleek chrome sink, sensor-based faucet, and built-in LED mirrors. The shower enclosure features frameless glass panels and a rainfall-style chrome shower head recessed into the ceiling, offering a spa-like experience in a compact space. A smart ventilation system prevents fogging and maintains a fresh atmosphere, while heated flooring ensures comfort even in colder climates. Storage compartments are discreetly built into the walls, providing room for essentials without breaking the clean futuristic design. With its blend of premium materials and advanced functionality, the bathroom makes a bold statement about what compact living can feel like when engineered with Bugatti's precision. The cockpit of the Bugatti Motorhome is where technology meets driving passion. A panoramic tinted windshield stretches wide, offering a commanding view of the road ahead. Dual digital displays dominate the dashboard, one dedicated to vehicle performance data and the other to navigation and multimedia. Both are framed in brushed chrome, maintaining the futuristic theme while remaining functional. The steering system is fitted with chrome controls that combine tactile precision with digital responsiveness. The compact pilot seats are wrapped in premium black leather with Bugatti's diamond stitching, and both are equipped with multiple adjustments, including lumbar support and heating, to ensure comfort during long drives. Integrated ambient lighting highlights the dashboard and door panels, while voice-activated systems allow the driver to control navigation, media, and even cabin climate without taking hands off the wheel. This cockpit is not just about driving. It's about experiencing the fusion of Bugatti's supercar DNA with the comfort of luxury travel. Of course, no Bugatti would be complete without performance to match its looks. The motorhome is powered by a state-of-the-art hybrid drivetrain, engineered to deliver both efficiency and power. With multiple drive modes, it adapts seamlessly from smooth highway cruising to demanding mountain roads, maintaining stability and control at every turn. The suspension system is adaptive, adjusting in real time to road conditions to provide comfort without sacrificing handling. Even with its massive size, the Bugatti Motorhome accelerates with surprising force, reminding you that Bugatti engineering lives under its skin. Safety systems are abundant, including advanced driver assistance features such as lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking, all ensuring that performance is matched with peace of mind. When it comes to pricing, the Bugatti Motorhome is not for the faint of heart. With its blend of futuristic design, cutting-edge technology, and the prestige of the Bugatti name, it sits firmly in the ultra-luxury market. Exact figures may vary depending on customization, but early estimates place it well into the multi-million-dollar range, making it a vehicle reserved for the most elite buyers. For those who can afford it, though, it represents more than just transportation. It's an icon of mobility, a fusion of supercar performance and high-end living that no other brand can replicate. The Bugatti Motorhome is a statement of how far design and engineering can go when a brand refuses to compromise. Every detail, from the leather stitching in the lounge to the smart functionality of the kitchen, has been crafted with precision. It is compact, futuristic, and undeniably luxurious, a glimpse into the future of what mobile living could become. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Bugatti Motorhome, make sure to hit that like button. Leave a comment with your thoughts on whether you take this masterpiece on the road. And don't forget to subscribe to Luxury Wheels Review for more in-depth looks at the world's most extraordinary vehicles.